So we did a little experiment about cheese, because we both love cheese.
Especially cutting it.
Some people think this is cheese, but it's not cheese.
This looks like those foam mats that they laid down at the gym when we were kids.
Oh yeah. This is oil.
We should try burning it and see what happens.
We're gonna set this on fire.
Sorry?
I don't even think I want to touch it.
Well, I will then. I'm not a prude. Let's see what happens here. It looks the exact same except for a char mark.
It actually,
like plastic.
It's just wrinkled.
Yep, a
It
little
didn't
bit.
even bubble.
It didn't even bubble. Let's try real cheese.
Let's get real cheese.
Okay.
Go ahead, Jenna.
I'm doing it. Oh, it's bubbling.
And it's dripping.
It's
into
dripping
your lighter.
oils. Much better than
Mini. Ah, you see?
choice is clear.
If you want to eat cheese, eat real cheese.
And don't be cheesy about it.